What's up guys, Killer X7 with a DIY video today. I'm going to show you how to make cheap FPV gates. Sometimes it gets pretty costly in this hobby, so if you can save money on something, why not do it, right? So I'm going to show you a very quick setup, easy setup, 50 bucks to make FPV gates. Stay tuned. So as you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you have the plastic tubing, you have the 4-feet rod, and you have the saw. I'm not going to do a tutorial video how to do it. You guys could figure it out by yourselves. So I bought 100 feet of plastic tubing, 8 rods of 4 feet made out of steel, and the saw. Everything cost me 50 bucks US. Me, I'm in Canada, so it cost me like $62. But if you convert it in US, it's around like $50. Very cheap, but very efficient. So I will show you what it looks like when it's all assembled. You don't need no tools to put in the ground. As you can see, very easy to take on and take off. And to carry it, take one end off, take the other end, go like this. There you go. See, that easy guys. You don't have to spend tons of money to make FPV gates. I made 8 of them with just $50. So hey, if you like this video, if you think it was helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. I'm gonna have plenty of more videos like that, so stay tuned and I will catch you guys later. All right, peace.